Greetings, everyone. We continue to explore more facets of corporate sustainability on this episode 31 of SAS 360 Bytes. This episode explores sustainability through the mind of one of the most prominent roles in manufacturing enterprises, the EHS head, that is, Environment, Health, and Safety. The EHS head has newfound significance with the enterprises considering them to organically upskill and lead the ESG agenda too. Let's explore this further. With the EHS leaders expected to shoulder the new ESG responsibilities, they have a lot of learning, unlearning, skilling, reskilling, upskilling to do. The ESG agenda does have an overlap with the EHS agenda, but only just. So they need to plan their transition effectively to address their new agenda. Traditionally, the EHS head of an enterprise has always engaged with different business functions. This continues to be an expectation from the ESG leaders too. The change being that the stakeholder mix goes beyond the employees to involve investors, suppliers, partners, civil society, consumers, regulators, dealers, etc. In light of this, the ESG strategy brings in unexplored dimensions, like a GHG-based approach for E, the environment, a refreshing take on S, the social, that involves both internal and external stakeholders, and of course, the new spotlight on G, the governance aspects. Just as the EHS role, the ESG role also comes with significant responsibility to ensure that one is truly acting in the welfare of people. With every ESG effort and initiative, the responsibility to assess the systemic impacts has to be emphasized. An insufficient assessment of impacts, poor program structuring, inefficient procedures, or a combination of these factors are significant red flags. With enterprises chalking out plans for transitioning to a low-carbon economy, the onus of managing this journey smoothly falls on the ESG or the sustainability function. In this regard, one needs to stay atop the business strategy, which could be dynamic given the times we are in, and constantly align the sustainability strategy with it. No chances can be taken there. It's a given that the initiatives taken along the decarbonization or net zero journeys are complex. If not managed well, they can easily sway in unexpected directions, adding unwanted pressure on the overall strategy. The leader is expected to have a strong hold on the principles of complex program management, like calling out roles and responsibilities, managing program risks proactively, etc. Now that's a wrap on this episode of SAS 360 Bytes. I'll put a link to a full blog focused on the EHS head. Happy reading. Until the next episode, take care and stay safe.